Hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that button and subscribe. But I'm going to be making my first ever pineapple upside down cake. So I got my pineapple, nice and dried. Pull the fronds out. I got my flour. Got my sugar. I got my desiccated coconut. I got my coconut milk, and then I've got 4 eggs. I've got some butter, and I've got a 9-inch springform pan that I greased already with this butter. I'm going to chop up the pineapple. I'm going to make this into half moons, so I'm going to cut it down the middle, and then I'm going to cut out the center with just a V-notch. I'm going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. So 1 cup right there. So it's almost a whole can, but not quite. What we're going to do, we're going to bring this to boil. So I'm going to put it in. Just like that. We're going to turn on the heat. Bring it to the boil. I'm going to get a coconut, shredded coconut, and get that ready to put in. Wash my hands, it's a little sticky. I'm going to get another pan ready right now to caramelize some sugar. What I'm going to do, I'm going to get 2 tablespoons of butter, which again is about that much. We're going to only add 1 cup of sugar though. So I'm going to put that on the heat. Medium-high heat. Throw that back down to medium. Alright, that butter's melted. So now I'm going to add the cup of sugar. We're going to add coconut in, and we're going to take it off the heat. We're going to just mix it in. So yeah, we've mixed it in pretty good there. Okay. Next, we're going to work on our sugar. You can see that it's starting to go a little bit, but we want a little pool in the middle where we can start to see it melting, and that's when we're going to start putting our pineapple pieces in. What we're going to do, we're going to get a springform pan close by. So once we get the pineapple covered, we're going to put them in a fan shape around the edge. And right now, there's some puddles forming on the sides and in the middle. I just want it to get a little bit wetter before I start to put the pineapple pieces in. Now it looks like the right time to start adding the pineapple. Just going to flip them all over. Let both sides get coated. I'm going to pick up some of my pineapple right now and put it in my dish. That looks just the right amount. down. I'm gonna mix it in. I'm gonna get my butter, and I'm gonna put it in this bowl. One cup. I'm gonna get a quarter cup of sugar. There we go. Quarter cup of sugar. Put it in there, and we're gonna cream it together so it becomes nice and fluffy. I'm gonna add an egg at a time. Here, there we go. There's one. Okay, now we're going to add the flour to the mixture. And that's our cake batter. I'm now going to spoon my mixture into my pan. I put a little bit of foil around mine because my spring foam pan has got a little bit of a leak. I don't want it going all over the oven floor. Ready for the oven. 350 degrees for 45 minutes. The timer just went. It says that it's ready to get out, so we're going to take a look. It looks a little bit better, a bit more golden in color. Happy with that? So we're going to let it cool down for 5 minutes in the pan. So when I was putting the caramel on top of the pineapple slices, I kept on getting it leaking out the bottom here. You can see, like even now, it's still kind of leaking. So it didn't seal it properly. So I had a little bit of leakage. So that's why I added the foil onto this. See, I'm still leaking quite a bit. Okay, it's been 5 minutes now. So we're going to do the unthinkable. We're going to get this out of the form, and hopefully we don't lose too much of it. Caramel, as Americans say. So there's the ring. That went really well, actually. So back on there, back to the side. The upside down part. All right. We lost a little bit of syrup. See what's going on under here. I didn't think for the life of me it was going to look this good. Alright, I'm going to clean it up now before I present it to the rest of the crew. See what they think about it. There it is. Pineapple upside down cake. If I can do it, you can too. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for taking the time out of your day to watch what I'm doing. Please hit subscribe and follow me on the next journey. Thank you.